Hi everyone, it's Dave from Cronus Cash, and welcome back to the channel. Today is the big day 60. We're officially 2 months straight of daily video uploads and pack openings. I just want to thank each and every one of you guys for being here on this journey with me. I have a lot of things planned that I want to get done, so I hope you guys will stick along for the ride and support me each step of the way. And to celebrate day 60, I wanted to do a Mega Evolution pack with a big hit of the Mega Venusaur EX that was pulled. And with that, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. Have a good day.